Basic editing with PowrDirector 18, Initialize. This video shows how to adjust PowrDirector settings to make it easier to edit videos. This video is part of a video user's guide for Cyberlink PowrDirector version 18. To watch the videos in order, open this web page. To open PowrDirector, either double-click the icon or drag any video, audio, or photo file onto the icon. Edit Aspect Ratio. Aspect ratio is the ratio width to height of the video image. It should be set to 16:9 if you'll be sharing videos on YouTube. YouTube will put black borders around images to make them 16:9. Edit Preferences, File. Import folder. When you use the import command, PowrDirector looks in the import folder by default, and you can browse to import from another folder. It's easier to import by dragging files onto the PowrDirector window as I just opened the program. So I don't use the import command. Export folder. PowrDirector saves produced videos as file named produce in the export folder. When you use the snapshot or voice functions, PowrDirector saves those files in the export folder also. We'll describe those functions later. I've defined an export folder on the desktop with the name PD Project Folder. To make it easier to remove unneeded files after you produce a video and to avoid cluttering up your desktop, create a folder on the desktop, and I've created one called PD Project Folder, and set the export folder to that folder. Then, before you start editing, move the source files into that folder before importing them into PowrDirector. After you produce videos, check that they're completely okay, rename them, and transfer them to another location. Then, and only then, delete the intermediate files that you no longer need, and they'll all be in the export folder. Edit Preferences Project. Make sure that this box, Automatically Load Samples, is not checked. When it's checked, and I think the default is checked, PowrDirector, when you start it, will fill this area with lots of sample clips that it provides. That will make it hard to find your videos in this area. This is the media library, and it shows files that are being used in the current editing project. So don't check that box and just import the files you want. Autosave project. You definitely want to set this option. It's a very valuable option. When this box is set and there's a number here and it's 2 minutes, while you're editing, every 2 minutes, PowrDirector will save a complete copy of the current project in the folder specified here. It'll have a name that will reflect the date and time. If the computer happens to crash while you're editing and you've spent an hour editing without saving anything, or you went through a whole bunch of procedures to edit and then you close the editor forgetting to produce the file first. In either one of those cases, you can go to this folder, open the latest backup file, and restore where you were. Warning: you can't open a saved project file if any of the associated files have been deleted, renamed, or moved. Always check this and always set some reasonable interval here. We've shown you how to initialize PowrDirector settings for easier editing. The next video will show you how to do basic editing. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please like it and please leave a comment. For more help creating videos, please open my webpage at the URL shown here. To watch my other videos, open the website. You can also click links in the video description. When thumbnails appear, click at upper left to open the playlist for this video. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, please click the red button. If you don't see the red button, hover over my photo to show it.